Winter, a season of serene beauty where snowflakes dance gracefully from the sky. It's a time for cozy nights by the fire, sipping hot cocoa and sharing stories with loved ones. But winter can also bring frigid temperatures that make staying warm a challenge. The cold seeps through the walls, and frosty windows remind us of the harshness outside. Traditional heating methods can be expensive, especially as energy costs rise. Plus, what happens when the power goes out? The flickering lights and sudden darkness can leave us feeling vulnerable and cold. That's where the beauty of DIY comes in. With a little creativity and effort, we can craft solutions that provide warmth and comfort. Let's explore some ingenious ways to heat your home without breaking the bank. You might be surprised to learn that something as simple as a terracotta pot and some tea light candles can create a surprising amount of heat. These everyday items, often overlooked, can be combined to form an effective heating solution. It sounds almost too good to be true, right? Many people are skeptical at first, but once they see it in action, their doubts quickly melt away. This method, often called a candle heater, has been used for generations. Our ancestors relied on such ingenious methods to stay warm during cold seasons, long before modern heating systems. The science behind it is simple. When the candles burn, they produce heat, which is absorbed by the terracotta pot. The terracotta pot acts like a radiator, absorbing heat from the candles and releasing it slowly into the surrounding air. The shape of the pot helps direct the heat upwards, creating a convection current that warms the room. This natural flow of warm air can make a significant difference in a small space. This isn't a replacement for a furnace. Modern heating systems are designed to heat entire homes efficiently, but it can make a noticeable difference in a small space, especially when combined with other methods like insulating curtains or draft stoppers. Setting up a terracotta pot heater is straightforward. All you need are a few tea light candles, a terracotta pot, and a safe, stable surface. Light the candles, position the pot over them, and let the magic happen. It's a perfect solution for those chilly evenings, when you want to create a cozy atmosphere without cranking up the thermostat. Plus, it's an excellent way to save on energy bills while staying warm. So next time you're looking for a simple, cost-effective way to add warmth to your space, consider the humble terracotta pot and tea light candles. You might just be surprised at how effective they can be. Ready to give it a try? You'll be amazed at how few materials you need. Head to your local hardware store or garden center and pick up the following terracotta pots. Choose 2 pots, one slightly smaller than the other, so the smaller one can be inverted on top. Tea light candles. Stock up on these inexpensive candles. They'll be your heat source. A metal tray or plate. This will catch any wax strips and provide a stable base for your heater, bricks or stones. These are optional but can help elevate the heater for better heat distribution. See? Simple, affordable, and easy to find. Beyond the pot, more money-saving tips. The terracotta pot heater is one of the best ways to heat your home for very little money and supplies. Here are a few more tips to cut down on heating bills this winter. Window insulation kits. These inexpensive kits help seal drafts around windows, preventing heat loss. Door draft stoppers. Block cold air from seeping in under doors with these simple and effective stoppers. Find and block all drafts throughout the home. Keep all inside doors closed. Turn down your thermostat. Even just a few degrees can make a huge difference to your bills. Thermal curtains and blinds. Invest in heavy curtains or blinds with thermal lining to help insulate your windows and keep heat in. Keep blinds and curtains open at warmer times of the day, letting in natural heat from the sun, and closed when it's colder or the sun has set. You could also place a large sheet of aluminum foil down the back of your wall heaters to reflect heat back into the room. Solar air heaters. For a more advanced DIY project, consider building a solar air heater to capture free heat from the sun. The beauty of DIY savings and security. Why go through the effort of DIY heating solutions? The benefits are numerous. Cost-effective DIY methods are often much cheaper than running traditional heating systems, especially over time. Energy independence. Reduce your reliance on electricity or gas, saving money and resources. Emergency preparedness. Be prepared for power outages with reliable alternative heating options. Sense of accomplishment. There's nothing quite like the satisfaction of creating something useful with your own hands.